Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to unsync a Google Drive folder on Windows. This is useful when you want to stop automatic syncing while keeping your files safe. Let's start with your Windows taskbar. First, look for the Google Drive icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It usually appears here with other system tray icons. When you click on the Google Drive icon, a menu will appear. Look for the settings icon. It looks like a gear or cog. Click on that, then select Preferences from the menu. In the Preferences window, you'll see various options for managing your Google Drive sync settings. Look for the Disconnect Account button, usually towards the bottom of the window. A confirmation dialog will appear. This is important. Disconnecting will stop the syncing, but your files remain safe in two places. One, in the cloud on drive.google.com, and two, the local copies stay on your computer. Some important notes to remember. First, make sure any recent changes are fully synced before disconnecting. Second, you can always reconnect and start syncing again later. And finally, disconnecting doesn't delete anything. It just stops the automatic syncing.